Hello, I wanted to give you a brief module navigation through Module 6, hopefully to help you better understand the components of Module 6 on communication and collaboration. So if you go to the modules link on the left and click on Module 6, Communication and Collaboration, please follow the steps in the order that they're listed. So first thing, click on the Module Introduction and Checklist, and it will give you a brief overview of what we're going to be talking about this week. Communication and collaboration are essentially the topics that we'll have, and certainly those are important 21st century skills you need to learn. So we'll be talking a little bit about that. We'll be looking at characteristics as it relates to the book Half the Sky, as well as reading some additional components in Chapter 9 of the Cornerstones textbook. So you'll have some discussion boards assignments. There's both an individual and a group library assignment and some reading to do this week. If you go back to the Module 6 overview, next step is to read the assigned chapters and supplemental articles that are listed. So there's again a couple chapters, Chapter 9 in the Cornerstones book and Half the Sky, Chapter 9 and 10. There's also an APA format guide sheet I'd like you to review, and if you need some additional resources, there's a great Purdue OWL website you can look at. You'll also be doing some assessment of how you feel the others in your group did on the assignment this week as you work together as a team. And the rubric for that is available here, so you can take a look at that. And then there's a library course guide. So take some time to review this information for starters. Then it'll overview the assignments, so you get a better idea of what we'll be looking for. There's actually a library assignment that you're going to be doing, and again, if you click on this assignment link, it will show you the requirements for this particular assignment. You're going to be looking for developing and creating a concept map, and there's a scenario here and then how you actually develop a concept map. So take some time to review that. There's about several different tasks that are listed as it's going to navigate you into Academic Search Premier through the library, and then some advanced searching both in the Web of Science. And then there's a Part B and a Part C. So it's very clearly spelled out throughout this worksheet. So identify and go through each of the tasks that are listed, and you should do just fine with that assignment. The second part of the module this week is going to be assessing the group work that you do. So you're going to be doing some work together as a group, and yes, that is possible in an online course. You've all been assigned to a specific group, and if you click over here on the left under groups, you can identify which particular group that you're in. It will show you the group members that are in your group and the group tools that you'll have available. So there'll be a group discussion board that you'll be posting to specifically to your group. That's where you're going to be posting. There's also a group journal. The group journal is where you'll be posting actually your comments. You're going to create a journal entry on your assessment of how you feel your group members did as far as teamwork in this particular assignment. And here are the details of how you'll do that. So you're going to actually click on this. It will take you directly to the journal. What I'd like you to do is paste these 3 highlighted things into that journal entry 5 times, because you're going to be responding. If there are 5 team members in your group, you're going to respond once for yourself, so you're going to rate yourself, and then you're going to respond once for your team members. So you're going to list the person you're evaluating, if that's you or one of your other team members, what score you gave them, and here's how I want you to score them. You can give them any points between 0 and 35. And again, I'm not going to be thrilled if everybody gets 35 points. That's not, I want you to be able to justify why you give people the score that you did. So not only are you going to list their name, you're going to tell me what score you think they deserve, and then tell me why you think they deserve this score. So if everybody's given everybody 35 points, there better be good reason for that. And if not, I want you to justify why you feel what areas they could improve on. This will be something that no one else will see, only me, so you don't need to worry about your other group members reading these evaluations. Once you complete that, again, please paste these 3 highlighted things 5 times into the one journal entry. The first person you can rate is yourself, and then you'll be rating again for each of your individual team members. And use these factors, which are the part of the rubric, for evaluating that. So how did they contribute individually, what was the quality of their work, and how were their oral and written communication skills? You can use a variety of resources in the group link to have conversations with your group. So as you know, there's a collaboration option, there's blogs, there's journals, there's wikis. So you decide how you want to work with your group. If you want to send an email to each other, you can use any form of communication with each other throughout the week to achieve this task. Okay, let's go back to the Module 6. We've gone through the introduction, reading the assigned chapters, talking about the assignments. There are some videos that I'd like you to watch on the weekly topic, so please watch those. And then here's a link to the seminar videos. Please work through these videos and interact with your group members under the group section in order to complete this library assignment. So the actual assignment is here. And again, it consists of several components. So here are the videos. Please watch each of these videos in this order. And you'll be doing the ones for session 1. Next week we'll be doing the ones for session 2. The individual assignment link is located in the assignment folder for Module 7, so be sure that you complete that individual assignment link and as well as the group activity that's required for this particular assignment. And there also is that library course guide again that you might find helpful. Once you've watched the videos and done the assignments, then be sure that you submit that assignment through the assignment link. And lastly, there's a discussion board that relates to Chapter 9, so be sure that you complete that as well. Hope this has been helpful. If you have more questions, certainly post them on the discussion board for the class to respond to, or individually if you have something specific I can help with. Have a great week.